All right, so we're going to graph the relationship. You'll hear them called a relationship or a linear function or linear equation or blah, blah, blah. Graph the relationship y equals 2x minus 1. We know it's linear. Why? Highest power of both the y and the x, or the independent and dependent variable, is 1. Okay. Draw a table of values for x. Luckily, I've already done that for you. Then choose 3 values of x. Honestly, choose easy values. 0, 1, 2. There's no reason to choose difficult values unless you have to. And there are times where it's beneficial to do it. Okay, so now we're going to substitute in. So there's 2 ways you can do this. You can either do it in your head, or you can do it with the 4 steps that we've done before. Write down the formula, which you've already got. Write down what you know. You've already done that. Substitute in. So y equals 2 times 0 minus 1. And then solve it. What's y going to equal? Yep. Thank you, Katie. Minus 1. 2 times 0 minus 1. What's 2 zeros? Okay. Next one. You've already written down the formula. You've already written down what you know. Substitute in. Y equals 2 times 1.
Now it's 1.
Minus 1. Now it's not 1. Is it 1?
It's 3.
And then the last one. Okay. Now you could just do them in your head. That's fine. Now the next thing you do is you plot the points. Do you guys remember how to plot points?
Yes.
Okay.
0 minus 1.
What I'll get you to do is I'm going to pause this now because you want to have lunch. I want to have lunch. What we'll do is we will go, when you come back, first thing you'll do is finish that one off, please. All right, so we've had lunch, come back, and we're now plotting these points. Hopefully, you will all remember which order to do them in. If you don't stress. We'll go through it very quickly. What I want you to be able to do is recognize what the ordered pairs are, what the points are. First one we've got is 0 minus 1. Okay, so I'm taking that one and then that one. Next one we've got is 1, 1. And the next one is 2, 3. Everyone happy with those? They're the actual ordered pairs. We call them ordered pairs because they're in an order. And there's 2 of them. Okay. Next thing you need to do is plot them on here. I'm going to just change my pen. So the first one is 0 minus 1. Dylan, is that first one the x or the y value?
X.
Excellent. Is x the horizontal or the vertical axis?
Horizontal.
Cool. So we go across to 0, which happens to be there, and then down to minus 1. So you do the x-axis and then you do the y-axis. So that first point is right there. Is that all right? The other way to think about it is you have to go into the building before you can go up. So the next one is you go across to 1, which is that, and then up to 1, which is that point there. Third one, you go across to 2, and then up to 3, which is that one there. And you should have 3 points that when you join them, form a straight line. Yeah, honestly, most of the time they'll be a little bit off, but hopefully they won't be too far off. So my line will look like approximately that. It doesn't matter how long you do it if you do the arrows, because the arrows say it goes on forever.
Well, it would have to connect the dots.
Connecting the dots is imperative. Yeah. So as long as you've gone through the 3 dots, then yeah, just put the arrows on, you're done. I normally do it a bit longer because, well, I've got the ruler there and I might as well do it. Everyone happy with that?